Hi guys, what I'm going to do today is fit a radiator here. As you can see, the wallpaper is a little bit torn, but I'm going to cover it. Had a radiator for this space, so it's pointless decorating it. And here's the unit here. It's a double convector radiator, and these are the mounting brackets and blocking plugs and bleed valve. So I'm just going to remove these plastic lugs that are used for transit, and these must be removed because they're not designed to be put under pressure. And I've put some PTFE tape around the end cap and the bleed valve, and it's just a matter of screwing them into the radiator. And then just got to tighten them up with a wrench. And here are the valves. I've got a thermostatic valve and an isolation valve. Just got to insert these also. That's the thermostatic valve, the actual valve itself. And this thermostat just clips onto the top. Just push and twist. Just got to put a bit of PTFE tape around it, just to make it seal. And then I'm just installing the connection for the isolation valve and the thermostat. Bit of PTFE tape around it and tighten it up. And I'm just going to measure up. I'm going to mount this radiator onto the wall. Just got to make sure it's at the right height. Just trying to make it, make sure it's nice and level here with me markings for the brackets. And then I'm just going to mount it up to the wall onto the brackets. it is mounted. All I've got to do now is run the plumbing. I've removed the radiator from the wall, and there's pipes at the other side of this wall here, so I'm just going to drill a couple of holes through, then I'm going to feed the pipes through. And this is in the other side of the where I'm installing the radiator. So here I'm just making a few connections, just soldering it prior to fitting the pipes for the radiator. And then I've just got to do a couple of modifications. I've drained the system of all the water from upstairs, and I've just got to tap into this pipe work here. And as you can see here, I've got the pipe work complete now. Just got to put this radiator back on and then check for leaks and fill the system. And before that, I've just got to install these covers for the radiator, side and top cover. And that's the side and top covers fitted. So now I've just got to pressure the central heating system and check for leaks. Just fill it up to 1.1.5 bar. And here there's no leaks on the system, so all I've got to do is bleed both of the radiators. Just get all the air out. And that's the radiator in place, all complete, all working now. There's no leaks, and with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.